Okay, so this last problem, we have an off-ramp has a speed limit of 45 miles per hour posted, radius of 70 meters. If the pavement is dry, so we have a couple mu's here that we need to write down because I forgot to put it onto the problem here. So mu dry is 0.9. Mu wet pavement is 0.650, so we'll use those. So we're going to get on this off-ramp, and this is actually not a banked off-ramp. It has friction, but it's not banked, so that's an easier problem. If you remember that, that's the square root of gur mu. That's to figure out the velocity. So that's pretty easy. That'd be 9.81. The radius is 70, and the mu is 0.9, the dry pavement. And if we did that, we're going to get a velocity of 24.9 meters per second. If we divide it by 0.447, that should be 55.6 miles per hour is the speed limit we could, or the speed we could possibly go. If we go over that, we're going to fly off the thing, so we don't want to come anywhere close to that. And it's asking, what is the safety factor if the speed limit is posted at 45 miles per hour? So all we have to do is take 55.6 divided by 45, and we get a safety factor of like 1.23. Okay, so that's the answer to the first problem, 1.23. And then it says if the pavement is wet, so we're going to use this as mu now, what bank angle would allow the car to maintain the same maximum velocity? So let's say that it's wet pavement, but instead of having it flat, we're gonna bank it. What angle should we bank it at so we can get the same maximum velocity in meters per second, which was this one? So I want to still get that same velocity, but I want to bank the angle. So we're going to have to use this equation up here, but we're going to have to derive it for the angle. So if you watch the first video on the website, that's the first video I show you how to derive that. And so we're taking this and we're going to derive it, and you should watch that video. And what we got was a tangent of the angle equals v squared minus gur mu over gr plus v squared mu. So if we put everything into this equation, we're going to put in, for mu, we're going to put 0.650. For the velocity, we're going to put 24.9. The radius is still 70 meters, and gravity is 9.81. You put everything in there, and you have to do inverse tangent to get the angle. So you should put all that in and try to get it. The answer ends up being like 9 degrees. We should bank the angle at like 9 degrees to be able to get the same maximum velocity with wet pavement.